So in USA, if you want to do laundry, so they have laundry houses, or you can say laundry center in each complex, and they have washer here and dryer. So you need to put $2 in form of cent. There will be 8 coins. Here you will put them, and then the machine will start. So I have my clothes inside, and I'm going to open this. So the cycle has been done, and washing cycles, and the next I will do is do the dryer. So they have for the poor people also this dryer where you don't need to put any coins, and it is free of cost. You just need to put your clothes in and it will dry for you. And this is the laundry center of my complex, and this is how it works in USA.